Alright, so the calendar for the class is your guide to everything you need to be doing each week. You see every week, 1 through 16 has its own row here. The dates for that week are listed in that dates column. In general, the week we consider running from Sunday through Saturday. But with the fall semester, there are all these holidays and days off and things like that. So when it's not a full 7-day week, I listed the dates there in red. Of course, this being an online class, you have the flexibility to choose to work on those days off if you want to. But the assignments are structured in a way that they take into account that it's not a full week during that week of classes. In the middle here, I list the topic for the week and the assigned reading or readings. Whenever you see just one thing, one reading, it'll be numbered like this. In weeks where there are 2 readings, you'll see 1 and 2 listed, and that's just to try to make it clearer that again there are 2 readings for that week. 12 quizzes throughout the semester, you see each of them listed here. Discussion board, every single week it's listed. When there's a blog assignment, like in week 5, you will see the blog, the general topic. There's no additional readings for that week because you will be revisiting the prior week's readings in order to write that blog. So the blog will be due on the last day of that week. So blog number 1 will be due on September 28th. During that week, you'll also participate in the discussion board. And this is a little bit different, but it kind of neat in a way because it allows you to discuss anything that you realized from prior weeks or the kinds of connections you're making to put your blog together, or even just discussing the blog as an assignment, as a writing activity is a possibility for that week's discussion board. So again, every week you know the scheduled dates for that week, the topic, the reading, and any graded work is listed there. The course calendar is not expected to change for any reason. Again, with the online class, it doesn't depend on things like if I break my leg and can't make it that day, the class can still run. So for those reasons, I have really never changed a calendar for an online class, and I don't expect to do it for this one.